If you don't feel my heart in a normal, if you don't feel my heart in a normal, yo, yo. And on we'll go. What make you, what make you no one carry?
No, treat off,
So put it in your bag.
Oh, my name is fully lucky.
Say the lucky lock already?
No.
Oh, which one? Which bag? No, which bag?
The blue bag. What do you need, bro?
What's your problem?
My problem.
Hmm? You hit no fresh good though. Drinking this right now. Hmm? Not so fresh?
Yeah.
This is like smooth banana smoothie, but it's really fresh. The last kind of in there. It's alright, babe. Let me from here. It's really, really fresh. Like literally fresh.
From my phone.
You lock off the kitchen light?
Yeah.
I mean, I used to it's fresh. You know, make it a fresh kind of last kind of in there.
Huh?
The last kind of in there. We could have found a last go. We last got it up on the top shelf.
Yes, what?
We could have found the last go. We last got it up on the top shelf.
Yeah. Weird. That's impossible. Never weird.
Come back before moon
Go down.
in moon go down.
Wait, my time to chat give me.
Be what time you come back? What time you come back?
What time now? After 8? By 10 o'clock me there.
By what?
By 10:30 me
Are you wanna go?
there.
Are you wanna go?
He's gone already.
What?
He's gone already.
When?
From when?
I can't even see me all fat. What? Where is it? I can't see. That I got to do. You gone?
One eternity later.
So yo guys, I'm there on my phone. I watch vlog. I watch some vlog, right? And then I hear this sound out the door like, me I wonder what going out the door. Brother, I'm there by myself. I wonder if somebody knows I'm there by myself when I come for me. Yo, I just hear one sound a while ago. I don't even. This fly frightened me for my dirty fly and come up. Yo, mama get up off my bed because it's not gonna work. I'm there by myself. Babe's gone. But if you don't feel my heart in a normal, if you don't feel my heart in a normal, yo, I'm afraid. I swear me ear like somebody I shake the girl a while ago. Yo, and then this fly in here, fly all over the place and frightening me. Me in here, yo, if you're not afraid like me, yo, I'm afraid. Yo, if you're not afraid, comment down below. Yo, let me get up off of the bed now, sir. Me hear one sound out the door. What is it? Ibs is me alone home. No about after 9. Go and play domino with the neighbor and some other person. But me hear somebody by night. First of all, set me hear the grill shake a while ago. I don't know from my mind, but me hear the grill shake a while ago. And nobody light them off in the house. And literally, when they light them off, literally the one of the light them off in the house, brother. Well, this is the room. Well, you know, but nobody not in here. Nobody here. But the one of the light them off. And then me here one night a while ago. I literally hear the door shake. Well, me are laughing at that upstairs. Because people live upstairs in other apartments. But I swear me hear the grill shake out the door a while ago. Because I swear me hear the grill shake. One grill outside. Alright, somebody will come check it. Because the one gate there. Somebody just walked past. I'm here. I'm in the ear again in that back. Again in that back, you know. Somebody just walked past. Normally when somebody comes through the gate for that back. Alright, the body not inside, so I'm gonna look about the like and I can't afford GPS. And me just go in my room, go lock up. Because I'm there the same way. I'm not hear the gate lock back. I just go the lock. I'm gonna hear them one night. I don't know why the gate don't lock that door. Why did I know who was that? I swore my ear sounded like the gate shake. Brother, I need to call Odie and find out what time I come home because this not gonna work. This is totally not gonna work. And the place is silent over it. So since I'm here, this is the first time Emma leave me home by myself. I'm afraid of everything, but the place is silent. I guess it's nothing, so I'm just gonna go back to what I was doing. One security system supposed to go where the door is. That need to be set up because the man supposed to come drill it on the wall so the security code can be set. That need to be done like tomorrow because this not gonna work. The place just silent. You know, somebody should go turn on the TV. Make a TV go and talk. Sit me turn on TV, make a TV go and talk, you know. Because I'm alone there. I'm not a credit to call again. You ever hear this? You hear that alone? You're free to get on a credit. Brother, there's nothing going on. The place too silent, master. You know something else? Got my bed, try to fall asleep. I'm gonna turn on TV, make a TV talk. The place too silent. No, son. We're gonna make the TV talk. God, it's not gonna work. Oh, I just play it. Friend me afraid. I can't do the sounds. So I'll turn on the TV. I'm like, let me go to see me alone in here now. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn on the TV. It tells me ear sounds, you know. Me ear sounds. So whenever I'm home and I'm scared, I just want to have the TV playing. I won't care that. Once I have the TV playing, I'm good. Because I just want somebody talking. But I want to hear the silence. Hello? Although someday I want good silence. Anyways, guys. I'm just gonna be here. If I hear any more sounds, I just come record. So you guys know if the video go up, me survive the night. If the video don't go up, I did not survive the night.